Alright, so we have a 2008 Saturn Vue. It's the 3.6 liter front wheel drive version. Customer complaint, overheating and poor AC while stationary. Did some diagnostics, and the radiator fans are bad. Right where the electrical connector, the electric wire goes into the motor casing, if you wiggle it, the fans would come on and off. So we're just going to go ahead and replace the entire assembly. So in typical American fashion, if these unbolted, the fans could come out the bottom, but they're welded in, and the manufacturer says to remove the front fascia, remove the front crash bar, and then tip the radiator and the condenser way forward and slide the fans in and out through here. This whole setup here is used in a bunch of different body styles, and none of the manufacturer information kind of showed these AC lines the way they are. They're really tight, and I don't want to break the AC system, even though I have the ability to do it and recharge it. They also say basically essentially remove the whole radiator, and I started drain the whole radiator and started pulling the power steer or the transmission cooler lines out of there. And then I got to looking, because this wasn't moving well, got to looking of how can I do this by myself, and realized if you remove this horn that attaches to the front impact structure, so that horn is this horn here, if you remove this horn out of the way, and then I'm using the jack just to provide support to the condenser and the radiator, this whole assembly will slide right out, and don't want to. So yeah, here we go. Just capture this on camera for you guys. So there's the whole radiator fan just slid out. So you can you still have to pull the whole front impact structure, but you can leave the lower radiator hose connected. You can leave the transmission cooler lines connected. You don't have to touch the AC. And because the way that the AC lines are, you're not really bending this really hard. So I think this is a much better way to get that in and out without hurting anything. So good luck. I hope that helps if you guys have this same issue. There's not a lot of information on this car, so there you go. Oh, and I did take out the horn, and there's a little airbox thing here, but it's like 2 bolts. It's this right here that came out. So hopefully that helps make this job a little bit easier. And you don't have to drain hardly any of the radiator fluid, because you only have to take this top hose off. So alrighty, any questions, put them in the comments.